Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is lining up 3-4 from Alpha.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger. And are you going to go direct to Kelowna or are you going to follow the lake?
I'll plan direct via Chute Lake, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Roger, report Naramata.
Uniform Yankee Delta.
Penticton Radio, Cessna 172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey.
Cessna 172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey, Penticton Radio.
Charlie Alpha Whiskey's at the pumps. We're VFR company note to Kelowna. Your advisor, please.
Roger, runway 34, wind 3508, altimeter 3003. Traffic just departing runway 34 to Kelowna, it's Comanche.
Okay, we check Comanche 3003 and taxiing 34 for a run up.
Roger, runway 34.
Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is rolling 3-4.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger. And Charlie Alpha Whiskey, you can squawk 2465.
2465 for the squawk, Charlie Alpha Whiskey.
Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta reporting clear northbound over Naramata through 4000. On our traffic, South Okanagan areas, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta airborne off Penticton northbound through 5000 over Naramata to the Kelowna Airport direct via Chute Lake, planning 6500, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Kelowna Airport, information Delta, weather at 14000, automated observation.
Of course, your
wind calm,
Vancouver 1335 through 4000.
Q clouds at 11,000, temperature 19er, dew point 12, altimeter active, runway 16. Taxiway Delta closed between Bravo and Charlie. All aircraft expect possible delays. VFR.
Kelowna Tower, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta, Kelowna Tower.
Kelowna Tower, Uniform Yankee Delta is just descending through 6000 over Okanagan Mountain Park, inbound from the south with information Delta.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger, runway 16, wind 0104, altimeter 3006. Squawk ident, and cleared right downwind.
Roger, 16, squawk ident 3006, Uniform Yankee Delta, and cleared right downwind, 16, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Thanks, Uniform Yankee Delta, you are identified.
Yankee Delta.
Kelowna Tower, Alpha, Tango. Lake Okanagan traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey, departed Penticton 5 minutes.
Foxtrot conducted November Mike, not up complete, ready for departure from Alpha.
55,500.
November Mike, ground runway 16, wind 0203, altimeter 3006. Taxi via Alpha. Contact tower 1196, holding short. 3006, holding short, Quebec November Mike.
Kelowna Tower, hot air balloon, Foxtrot, Whiskey Delta Tango.
Good morning, it's Cessna Foxtrot Quebec, November Mike, get Alpha for departure. Requesting the left-turn Alpha Yama departure for Vernon. Last call to Kelowna was covered, taken. That's Cessna
Quebec November Mike at Alpha and requesting the Oyama departure for Vernon.
Quebec November Mike Tower, Oyama departure from Alpha.
Clock Tower, Cessna 172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey.
Cessna Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey, Clone Tower.
Charlie Alpha Whiskey, VFR company note out of Penticton, where we're Shoot Lake 5500. We have information Delta inbound landing.
Charlie Alpha Whiskey, Roger, Squawk Ident, runway 16, wind 0104, the altimeter 3006. You are identified by the mission arrival and report at the bridge.
Copy mission arrival by the bridge 3006. Charlie Alpha Whiskey.
Kelowna Tower, Uniform Yankee Delta, downwind right hand 16, full stop.
Uniform Yankee Delta Tower, number 1.
Uniform Yankee Delta.
Tower, North Carver 225, ready to go.
North Carver 2815, Tower from Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 16.
Ferry takeoff 16, North Carver 225.
And Quebec November Mike, I'm showing your transponder but no altitude. Confirm it is at the altitude.
How's that now? Quebec November Mike.
Nice, Quebec November Mike, confirm 2,700 feet.
Hey, folks.
Charlie Alpha Whiskey, when you're safely able, start your descent for 3,000 feet. I will have hyper traffic climbing above you.
Copy that, we're going down to 3.
Thanks a lot. Quebec November Mike will maintain 3,000. That sounds good with you.
Quebec November Mike, yep, that's fine. Just ensure you stay well on the east side as you continue northbound.
Okay, Quebec November Mike.
Uniform Yankee Delta, exit at Bravo backtracks route if you need it. Wind 0103, clear line runway 16.
Clear line 16, and we'll get off of Bravo, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Ground, morning Pasco 705 at the Aero Center, request taxi and requesting the departure for Prince George.
Pasco 7005, Kelowna ground, start taxi via Foxtrot and Alpha for runway 16. The VFR departure is approved. Expect IFR clearance departure plus 10 minutes. Squawk 5375.
Under taxiing Alpha, or taxiing Foxtrot Alpha, expecting clearance plus 10 minutes after departure for the VFR departure with a squawk code 5375, Pasco 7005.
Pasco 7005, read back, correct. Contact tower 119.6, holding short.
Tower 96 Pasco 7005.
Uniform Yankee Delta, exit there, Bravo, you're heading for apron 3.
I'll be head up to Stellaris, hangar 3.
Uniform Yankee Delta, retro case, taxi via Delta, monitor ground 127.
Okay, taxi Delta, monitor ground, Uniform Yankee Delta.